the view looking back. Helvellyn in the clouds. Past the rock and the stone wall. Still climbing and twisting. And I'm wearing wellies, by the way, because I'm going to be stood in water in a bit, and rather than being in my walking boots, wellies were a good alternative. Wow, so come out to Harrop Tarn, didn't take me long, about 25 minutes. Absolutely peaceful, gorgeous. Now walking alongside Harrop Tarn to the end. There's a ford, and hopefully get a prime position for a nice photo, which you'll see at the end of this video. And I've just found an unofficial path that looks like an inlet to Harrop Tarn. It looks like I've been here before, so there's a bit of a hard standing bit over there. Try to get to. I could be on the lake now, the Tarn. Looks like people have actually wildcamped here overnight. Yeah, they have left a mess. Up slightly here on Harrop Tarn, still gorgeous views. Look at that cloud coming in. Just taking some long exposures to see if I can get rid of this. Any ripples. Found another little bridge, waterfall, ford along the way. Take a picture of this and show you at the end as well. They catch a good one. So I've got to a crossroads, so I can go back to Harrop Tarn, or Wineburn, or Wattenlath, which is in the clouds at the moment. Don't particularly want to go up there because it's in the clouds. Another day, but no one around. Absolutely fantastic. My sort of walk. Sight to see. Trees chopped down. Who on earth in their right mind is going to chop that tree down? Why? Why do that? The path that I took before was a good one, but you definitely need wellies. You can't come down in walking boots. Just cleared. He banned it. 1 minute it was full of cloud, and now it's gone. I'll get it from the other end. I'm using a tripod like this as like three-legged support. To go over, and I can balance better. Move the log and back onto the forest path. So I'm having my lunch at Harrop Tarn. Clouds lifting on, we're getting a bit of sunshine. There you go, changes all the time. I'm going to do Dob Gill Waterfall next. After I've done here, I'm going to take a shot, long exposure here. Done my day's work. No, I've seen a video on it, so the guy did say that he slipped on his back and nearly broke his back, so...
Yeah, just be careful. I mean, the path's fairly obvious going down. Some of the stones are very, very
yeah, slippy, yeah, it's keeping a crevice, yeah. Yeah, just a bit boggy, just watch your feet, yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, I tossed up between wellies and walking boots, and I was thankfully wellies have paid off so far. Yeah. Okay. Can you see the waterfall from your left hand side? If you no. Yeah. Oh, no worries. Cheers. Enjoy your day. This is not the best way to come up or down. It's better to go up and down the way that I showed you. Oh, finally down from that. Get the gate open. Nearly on the road. So just taking my last couple of shots of this waterfall. I don't think it's officially Dob Gill. can't get to the other one because it's all fenced off. It's quite dangerous to get down. So this is being taken from the road. If you can hear me over the amount of water. So there we have it.